Hi everyone, hope you all. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for your support. I hope you had a really good week. Hope you have a really good weekend as well, wherever you are in the world. Stay healthy, stay strong, and stay tuned, okay? So, right now, as anticipated, when we were breaking up here, I did say to you XRP is going to have a retracement at some point, and it is. It's sort of carrying out that ABC correction at the moment. It has closed on the daily below that key level of support as well, so that gives more precedence to the fact that we are potentially going to come back down. And you can see immediately, on a zoomed out perspective, this is what I say to you. If in doubt, zoom out. This is what we expect for Bitcoin. I do apologise, for XRP. Providing we can hold support, this is what we're looking at. We're starting to form this parabolic curve, look, that we're adhering to, taking us up to these targets. If we can continue to adhere to this way you can see this wave 3, which we're anticipating, because you've got this wave 1 now, wave 2 pullback, where it ends, wave 3 up out of here, taking us up to them high targets just there before continuation. But right now you can see it's adhering, it's beautiful. You've come up and you're retracing right now, and you can see a technical target of 92 cents. It's also the 0618 on the weekly time frame at 92 cents. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, and I remember when XRP were getting really overextended, I said you're going to come back down, and it did, and it's just doing everything it needs to at the minute for continuation. It's looking absolutely golden, to be honest with you. And if we start to adhere to this structure, look where we could actually end up here towards the latter part of this bull run for XRP. Full transparency, this is the technicals that we're looking at, and if you was to start to see a deeper than anticipated retracement right here, start to come down and lose key level support and primarily lose this green line just there, then you could be looking at this being a cycle high for XRP, coming back down, A, B, C correction, and at that point I would expect us to enter the bear market right here for crypto. Okay, so straight off the bat, XRP, I'll show you, it retraces around about 95% in a bear market. So that was your bear market low, around about 96%. Okay, so roughly 96% from a cycle high top. So if we do go through that, and primarily, one of those indicators, if we start to lose this low, which I've told you, and create this large A, B, C correction right there, lose this low down here, roughly 51 cents. If we do start to do that and fall below this green line, we're losing market structure and we're looking to enter the bear, of which I don't think we'll cover, to be honest with you. And I do think that will be a bear market for crypto, especially XRP. So your technical target is around about 96 cents. So this could potentially be your bear market low if we have topped out here for XRP. But personally, I don't anticipate it. I think we're adhering to some kind of structural support at the moment. We're looking for continuation, and until we lose that support, my bear market scenario is not there. My bear market scenario, once we have that blow off top here for XRP, we get the SEC case comes out as well, and we enter that parabolic phase for XRP as well. We absolutely have that blow off mania top, that euphoria stage which comes in every cycle for XRP. Just because it's happened before as well does not necessarily mean it has to happen again. But if you're adhering to structural support and you're coming up impulsively, correctively, and you're making these beautiful waveforms, which you are doing, then this is what's in front of you. So this is a bit of a cheat sheet at the minute. If we've actually topped out here for crypto and we enter in that bear market that people say we are, then obviously you lose the ABC, you lose this structure, you lose this low. That's your bear market low, just so you know. Okay, if you start to fall in lower than 51 cents, you're falling below this green trend line, which you acted as resistance. Look, come up, resistance, fell back to its support like a boss, holding it like a boss. If you start to fall below that trend line, you're looking at a 7-cent XRP token, and right now from here, that's a further depreciation of around about 93% for XRP in a bear market. So yeah, it's crucial, isn't it? I wish I could say conclusively and 100% that XRP was going to go to these price projections, but you're fully aware that, and this is what I do in the space, I make you aware that if you lose support, you've got technical targets to the downside. If you hold support and break resistance, and backtest the support, you've got technical targets to the upside. And that's exactly what XRP is doing at the moment, isn't it? So, primary level of support, just zoomed out, you can see is a 0618, the golden ratio at 92 cents. So you could almost see that on the weekly, this is where you're coming down to, and it lines up with all the technical targets as well. So just looking on the daily time frame here, straight off the bat, you can see, look, we've lost support just there. We've actually had the close. I'll show you on a different chart right now. Okay, so with XRP then, this is the daily time frame. Okay, so you can see that you've got the close down here below this level of support, so that gives a high confidence now to the fact that you are rolling and potentially carrying out this double M top pattern. And equally, if we take a look on the 4-hourly time frame just there, okay, you have got this horizontal which you've come up into. Look, you've come into just there, straight down to the bottom. You've lost support, so you have a technical target, the horizontal. Look, and you can see pretty much it comes down and brings you down to a level down here at 92 cents. Where is it? Yeah, roughly down there, which is equally the golden ratio. Okay, and a retracement down to the 3.82 roughly. Okay, so it is in a technical target at the moment, and equally with that, you also have a double M top pattern. If we switch back to the daily time frame, Yeah, okay, you've got a double M top pattern and effectively a big massive descending triangle. There's all sorts of reversal patterns. Look, double M like this, and you lost support just there. With that, you've got a technical target to the downside, and again I'll show you your technical target. So it's from there to there, and you can see that pretty much is, you know, you're on your way down there, aren't you? So yeah, you've lost support. You have technical targets to the downside at the moment until you come back up and invalidate them technical targets by invalidating the pattern. To do that, you have to invalidate this high up here at 135. So come back up, break this key level of resistance right now, which you're finding yourself under. Come back up and break this high, and then you carry that beautiful impulsive wave, and all this pattern will be invalidated. But at the minute, you are in a pattern to the downside. Okay, so you're in a technical target down here. Okay, potentially to this swing low just there, and if you do start to fall a little bit deeper, you might come down to the 382. So that's basically it, you know. And with that, you can see right now you have fallen under the daily 20 EMA. Okay, and if you do continue to hit your head like that, you will come down and test a 55, which is pretty much where our top primary target is as well. So, but with doing that, what you're doing with XRP is resetting all the levels for another go, to form that big third impulsive wave. Look, because you come up in waveforms. Look, wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and right now look, wave 1, wave 2 pullback in the stock RSI, in the floor again as you was down here, you know, completely oversold. Get this RSI back down here as well. You might see little relief rallies up and down, but come back down into this purple box. It would be beautiful if you can get an opportunity down here. Okay, look where you were there for the first wave. Okay, then you've had an ABC correction, which you're going through right now for XRP, you know, as low as it comes. This is the thing, the complexity of wave 2 and the wave 4 corrections in Elliott wave. They are complex. You know, you have your targets, but obviously they can just come down and break out. So this is what I'm saying. But at the minute, you've broken a key level of structure support. Okay, so that gives you a technical target to the downside of the horizontal double M, you know, a descending triangle, whatever you want to call it. It's a reversal pattern, and it's a technical target to the downside. So until you break that level of resistance and backtest and turn into support and break this high locally, then you have a technical target to the downside to come down to test a key level support. Do you understand that? So I would anticipate that XRP is on its way there, and it's trying to get there before you do start to find a level of support. Now, looking on the hourly here, you might have some kind of double bottom on the go here for XRP. It's a little bit weak though, to be honest with you. So there is a little bit of a technical WW bottom. I mean, like I said to you, on the way down, okay, just like it, all the way on the way down, it rallies, hits resistance, rallies, hits resistance, rallies, hits resistance until it gets to its technical target. And it's the same when it has a technical target to the upside. Okay, it comes up, falls back to support, comes up, falls back to support, and that's the way it is, and until it gets to that technical target. But yeah, I mean, to invalidate all that, you just want one little bit of news to come out, don't you? Like SEC, the case, and it's gone. See you later, you know, it's gone. But at the minute, it's adhering to TA, and it's adhering to technical analysis, and it's adhering to market structure support, and it's looking for a key test of support, and primarily that could be that swing low down there, because you've lost this swing high. And what does it say to you? When you lose swing highs, you target swing lows. Okay, and that's pretty much what it's doing right now. You can see where it's doing. It's wicked down off its previous low just here. Okay, so that's your base level support at the moment. And some people would deem this as a double bottom, not a double bottom. You come up here, you break this, you're looking at a WW bottom like this. Okay, you break that resistance, eventually you're looking at a beautiful pump to the upside. But at the minute, you are caught in a technical target to the downside off that double M top pattern, because you've lost the key level support right there on a daily. Okay, and you've got the big horizontal as well, which is a technical target to the downside as well. So until you come back up and break those levels of resistance, that's your target. Okay, but I want to reassure you, it's all part and parcel of the journey and the ride, okay, of that third wave, which we do anticipate is going to come and bring us up to these technical targets of this impulsive wave up to there, okay, and greater than that, to be honest with you. So yeah, it's looking good, but it has to come down for support, I'm afraid, and that's exactly what it's doing. Okay, so that's XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong. If you was to continue from here right now, you know, you could be looking at a further 15% depreciation for XRP over the weekend or whenever we get that key level of Tesla support moving forward. That's it. Take care, everyone. Back to another update. Back tomorrow with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.